In 1976, on April 10th, the studio tour really upped the ante when it came to thrills, when they added an attraction that is still considered one of our signature attractions. I am, of course, talking about Jaws. Welcome back to Amity Island, home to the hit film. Amity, of course, looking beautiful this morning. It's her on your right side. And, hold on. I think we got another shark in the water. All right. Okay. He's headed right for the boat. I think he sees our diver. We have a diver in the water right now, so hopefully that diver's been trained and knows exactly what to do in this situation. Looks good. We'll be safe right back here behind all the gasoline barrels. That's a good idea. Uh-oh, the shark just took the dock out there. There's bait attached to that barrel. This doesn't look good. FaceTime with Jaws this morning. Jaws, one of the classic attractions on our studio tour. Like I said, it opened on the tour back in 1976, so roughly a year after the movie itself was released. Jaws is still such a great movie. It was so hugely successful. It literally became the #1 movie of all time. It would go on to win the Academy Award for editing for Verna Fields. This is the movie that made Steven Spielberg a household name, and it's really impressive when you think about the fact that the mechanical shark that they used on set almost never worked for them.
That's a much maligned shark. The shark was frustrating. It didn't really work all the time. It didn't work hardly at all.
Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio waves. They were always saying, "The shark is not working." Repeat, "The shark is not working."
We just waited around. We just waited and waited and waited.
The shark worked well enough. For a while there, it had been so high. So I really owe the shark a lot.
I love this movie. That footage, by the way, comes from a documentary called The Shark is Still Working that came out in 2007, which I highly recommend if you're into any behind-the-scenes stuff about Jaws. So